It's a 2017 INFINITI QX30. Making a statement is easy when every dramatic contour displays the INFINITI DNA. Engineered with strong style and responsive capability, this is subcompact SUV heaven. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and auto-shift manual transmission. For the distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. Make it an INFINITI. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.